Have you ever wondered how these results are achieved in this type of thermos with vibrant colors and unique designs? Would you like to know how to personalize and how to sublimate these thermos and make them perfect for you? If you are starting in the world of sublimation and you have started with these thermos and want to know how perfect results can be obtained, stay because I am going to show you the step-by-step how to sublimate one of these thermos and what the final result is like. The truth that it is a very simple and very easy way to achieve a spectacular result. How to make the design look perfect on you and the colors vibrant. Inside video. Very good people, how are you? Welcome to another day more to my channel. I am a sailor and you do not know me and you are starting in the world of sublimation. Follow me because I am uploading a lot of related content that will help you a lot. In this video I come to explain how to sublimate stainless steel thermos to personalize it, and this type of thermos is a very good option if you are starting in the world of sublimation. You want to start selling personalized. I highly recommend that you start with this type of thermos, since it is a product that is not too common, not as much as, for example, cups, which is true that cups you will find a lot of competition and everyone sells cups everywhere. On the other hand, this type of thermos, let's say it is a lesser known product, which you find less easily. At least I think this type of personalized stainless steel thermos is not so easily found. So if you want to start in the world of sublimation, you want to start in the world of personalized ones and you don't know very well where to go, I highly recommend this type of product because it is very easy to make, very fast, and with very good results. These types of thermos are usually made of stainless steel. They come with their lid. Inside it comes with a lot of little things to then do the packaging, which I will now show you in the process. And they also come with their straw and with the cleaner, with the brush to clean the straw inside. And they come very complete if what you want is to sell it. Of course, our essential to be able to make this type of product is going to be our thermal iron for glasses and cups. Login. I have already taught this thermal iron in many of my other videos. It is the one that I usually use for both cups and glasses, and it goes phenomenal. It is totally automatic and you don't have anything more than to regulate time and temperature. So without further ado, let's go with the materials we are going to need and with the process. What we are going to need is thermal ink, sublimation paper, heat shrink plastic, then I show how it works, and a heat gun or a dryer failing that, the thermal iron, and a sublimation printer. We began by unpacking the glass from its box. The truth is that now I'm going to show you because it comes very well prepared so that we can personalize it and then repackage it, see? It has the heat shrink plastic inside, a very cute little bow to then decorate the box, and the rubber band to put it on the bottom of the glass. Once we have printed our design, very important, you see, we have printed it in mirror mode, that is, in reverse. We are going to cut the edges and leave it to the size of the glass. Once it is cut out, we are going to measure and put exactly how the design should look. It is very important that the edges coincide and that it does not protrude too much in any of the places, and above all that it is not crooked. With our thermal tape now, we are going to join the entire edge, putting pieces by pieces of thermal tape. I like to fill the entire cut full of thermal tape so that it is well pressed and so that it does not move. This is how I like to leave it to me, so that it is well filled with thermal tape. Do not slip on thermal tape. And now we're going to use the shrink plastic that I showed you before. This is very simple, we just open it. We put the little cup inside. This is circular. We put the little cup in, and then with the heat gun we are going to start giving it heat. Check that it protrudes from both ends, a little piece of plastic and nothing. We simply heat it up and you will see how the plastic shrinks and stretches. The plastic must adhere tightly to the glass for optimal results. A lot of pressure so that our design later looks better. We check that it is good, and we are simply going to turn on our thermal iron. We hope that it takes the temperature. We put on our thermal gloves, very important so as not to burn ourselves, and we would simply have to put our glass inside the machine. We press the button and it will close by itself and start counting time. And once it's done, the machine pops open and you're ready to remove your perfect creation. Once we have taken it out, very carefully because the glass is peeling, we are going to remove the heat shrink plastic. I recommend removing it as quickly as possible, and we are also going to remove the sublimation paper to see the result. We check that everything is correct, the colors, the borders, that everything has gone well, and the truth is that the result is spectacular. Look at the shine, look at the color tones, it's perfect, I couldn't like it more. We are simply going to put the little cap that it comes with at the end of the glass. We put its lid on it and we are going to package it simply as it came. We put it in the plastic, we put it in the box. The little bow that I have shown you before, well, the truth is that it is very cute to decorate the box, because if you are going to sell it, well, the truth is that it is a detail. You're going to like it a lot, I assure you. And that's how nice it would look. What do you think? I absolutely love it. What did you think of the result? I hope you loved it. I love it. The truth is that this type of thermos is what I like to do the most. Of course, leave me in the comments any questions or suggestions you have that I will be reading to you. And nothing, my people, I say goodbye here and see you in the next video. Bye.